Hello and welcome to Fabric by Singhania. As you guys must be looking for a lot of traditional style lehengas, we've got the perfect set of collection of beautiful silk fabrics with traditional and very authentic style lehengas for you. So let me show you. Here we've selected this very beautiful tissue organza fabric in a very nice design that you can see. It's in a beautiful color of yellow. It's a little bit more muted, so it looks perfect. Now if you take a closer look at the work that has been done, it's a nice paisley work and beautiful embroidery work done across it in beautiful cursive kind of waves all across the fabric, and it's very nice because of the brown shade of embroidery work. Now for this brown color, we decided to pair it off with this really nice combination of Banarsi fabric that we have in a brown shade. So the brown and yellow gives a very beautiful contrast, and Banarsi fabric being obviously very traditional and an elegant piece in everyone's wardrobe would be perfect to create a nice lehenga with it or a sari too. If you take a closer look, you can also see the gold booty work that has been done across the fabric. Perfect if you want to create that lehenga style outfit or any sarees or any other outfits you have in mind. So here we've selected this beautiful Banarsi fabric in a really nice gold and silver zari weaving that has been done in a nice beautiful way. It's like a jar weaving but very unique. So you can take a look at how gorgeous this fabric looks. Very perfect to create that bottom lehenga that you want to make. Or if you want to create a suit also and you want to pair it off with some nice contrast colors, it would be just perfect. And you can take a look at how we've paired this off with this perfect brocade style Banarsi fabric in nice red, rich red color. The red and blue is obviously the perfect kind of contrast for a combination in lehengas. So the brocade work that you see over here is beautiful. You can see how nice the gold zari work looks, and you can see how beautiful this fabric is in a nice Rudraksh motif and leaf kind of structure that has been done across the fabric, making it look very unique to itself. Now another brocade Banarsi that you see over here is in a nice dark pink shade, and all of the gold zari work that you see is beautifully done in a nice brocade way. So you can take a look at the floral work that has been done in a beautiful pattern that you see across the fabric that's been done very intricately. Now the perfect part about this fabric is the border work that's already been there here. So it's perfect to create that lehenga look that you're looking for, and you can create nice lehengas for pujas or any kind of sari that you want to pair it off with. We've got the perfect blouse too. Here we have a very simple Banarsi silk fabric for you with beautiful gold zari booty work that has been done across it. It's in a nice yellow shade, so the gold and yellow gives a nice matching shade to it, and the yellow and pink is the perfect contrast if you're creating a nice lehenga or a sari for puja occasions or for any kind of grand function. Now here we've selected a nice Kora Banarsi fabric which is perfect to create that lightweight lehenga look that you're looking for. Nicely done in a nice blue muted shade with beautiful silver, almost light gold zari work that has been done on the body. Now we've got a really nice white border for this Banarsi fabric. So you can see the paisley design that has been done across it with nice floral work, and you can look at the grid-like pattern that has been done in the bottom of this border work. So the border is wide and the body also is quite beautiful. Now this blue shade would be perfect to pair off with this really nice white kanchi fabric that we have for you. Now this white kanchi fabric that you see over here is just perfect to create that matching lehenga look that you're looking for. And we've got this really nice gold booty work that has been done across the kanchi fabric, making it look very elegant and regal. So this is just perfect to create that blouse that you're looking for. Even if you want to create a nice sari for yourself, this kind of blouse piece would be perfect with this blue color contrast. All of this put together is quite elegant and different. Here we've selected a very beautiful tissue organza fabric for you with really nice pikni design across it, done in a nice cross-stitch embroidery. You can take a look at the colors that have been used. It's a nice blue shades, greens and reds and pinks and many more. It's a very multicolor embroidery work done across it in nice pikni style. Very unique and quite exclusive here in our store. With this, we've paired off a very beautiful satin Banarsi fabric, perfect for a nice blouse piece that you want to create. It's in a nice pastel pink color, and all of the silver zari work that you see is beautifully done as a motif, and it looks very nice. The texture is also very soft, so it feels very nice on your skin too. With it, we've done this really nice silver zari border work. As you can see, it looks very pretty and it's very beautiful. So to create a nice blouse piece for this and a tissue organza fabric would be just perfect, and it would give a contemporary style to your outfit. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like and comment and subscribe to our channel and follow us on all of our social media pages. If you want to know more about our collections, you can also visit our website or you can visit our store at Banjara Hills Road number 1.